Hey guys, so today we're going to be reviewing this new fan that I got from Amazon. Guys, I'm super excited because this is a hand fan and this summer has been very hot so far, so I needed something to use whenever I'm out and about with my family outdoors. And this was a brand that I decided to go with for a number of reasons, including the size. So let's jump right into unboxing it so I can show you guys what it looks like. We'll put it to use, and at the end we'll close it out with our overall honest review. Alright guys, so we do get a user manual. The brand does provide a wrist strap, which was really nice of them. They do also provide a USB to USB-C cable. And of course the fan. Guys, this fan is so cute. This is literally the perfect size. Wow. Look at how amazing it looks. So cute. This is something that can fit in your bag, in your pocket, if you have like a purse. This is my phone, guys. Look at the difference in size. So this is my phone compared to the fan. It's literally the perfect size. I do want to mention that this has a 4000 mAh rechargeable battery that's actually going to have 15-hour cooling time, and we're going to be testing it out in just a moment. But I also wanted to mention, because it's so lightweight and compact, this is perfect for, once again, when you're outdoors. So if you're out with your family, if you go out to the park, to the beach, if you're hiking, maybe picnics, outdoor travel, this is perfect for everything, guys. Literally the perfect size. Also, not only can you use this outdoors, but you can also use this indoors. So if you're a woman that's maybe doing their makeup or drying their nails, you can use it to dry your makeup if you're using like a setting spray, or if you're like doing your nails and you're using a regular nail polish. This is perfect because it can help you dry your nails as well. Let's go ahead and attach the wrist strap. So some people may have issues with getting this in. What you can actually do is you can fold it, and that may be a little bit easier to actually feed it through the hole right over here. But honestly, I love the fact that we're able to wear it on our wrist, because not only is it lightweight, but it's going to be very easy to travel with, especially if you don't have pockets, if you don't have a purse, you're able to carry it on your wrist. So I literally just fed it through, and we're going to open this part up and we're going to pull it through the other side. And that's how we'll be able to wear it on our wrist. So to put it to use, a single tap will turn it on. Guys, this feels so nice. We do have two ways to adjust the levels. So if you tap it, you can actually make adjustments through 5 different levels. And if you just long press the button, what that's going to do is it's going to gradually increase the speed to 100%. So I'm going to go ahead and tap it. Guys, this is so powerful. Like, I'm surprised. And I'm gonna go ahead and press it, and it's bringing it down gradually back to 0. Once it gets down to 0, if I hold it down and press it, it's going to bring it back up to 100. So guys, really depending on how much wind I need, I can make adjustments to it. And overall, guys, I am so impressed with this fan. It's literally perfect. I'm going to get one for my mom, my sister, my friends. This is the perfect gift because it's affordable, it's high quality, it's going to keep you cool on a hot day like today. Overall, I would highly recommend it. I hope you guys are able to enjoy it as well, whether you're getting this for yourself or maybe as a gift for a family or friend. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.